The 3-juice colon cleanse that can clean all the crap out of your body system like nothing else. By cleansing your digestive system of any unwanted toxins, you'll feel brand new after just one day. The digestive system. Our digestive system mostly consists of our large and small intestines. The large intestine is made up of a muscular tube called the colon, which absorbs water and salt from the remaining food matter after it goes through the small intestine. Our colon is a major contributor to the storage and controlled evacuation of fecal material and digestion and absorption of undigested food. Considering the colon does so much for our digestive system, it is definitely a good idea to give it a clean out every now and again. Below are a few of the ingredients found in our detox recipe that will help with that colon cleanse. Ginger benefits. Ginger is a delicious, vibrant and healthy ingredient that has been used for centuries to treat all sorts of ailments such as colds, nausea, arthritis, migraines, and hypertension, states Bo and Dong. It makes for a perfect ingredient in our cleansing drink as it also stimulates digestion, absorption, relieves constipation and flatulence by increasing muscular activity in the digestive tract, according to Zada et al. With so many health benefits, ginger can also be used in a multitude of different ways, excluding our colon cleanse found below. Here are some excellent alternative recipes, or you can try this amazing ginger root extract powder. You'll be addicted to ginger after trying just one when life gives you lemons. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C and have excellent antioxidant properties plus many other incredible health benefits. Lemons, in particular, are an excellent digestive aid, and when paired with warm water it can help your body by regulating stomach acids, promoting digestions, and providing remedies for disorders such as heartburn, bloating and acidity, states the European Journal of Pharmaceutical and Medical Research. Lemons are somewhat of a miracle fruit. They can do so much for your body and even clean your home. Discover some surprising ways you can use the humble lemon to help keep your house sparkling here. Health benefits of apples. Fiber is a fantastic component of apples that is essential for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber that is abundant in apples can help lower blood cholesterol, slow the absorption of carbohydrate from foods, and help stabilize blood sugar levels, says Cornell University. They also state that fiber affects the rate of digestion of foods, the absorption of nutrients, and the movement of waste products stool through the colon. By adding organic fresh apple juice to your cleanse, your colon will be squeaky clean in no time. Who knew an apple a day could literally keep the doctor away? The 3-juice colon cleanse recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of organic pure apple juice, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed organic lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of organic ginger juice, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 cup of lukewarm filtered water. Directions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a jug and stir. You can multiply the measurements of each ingredient by 5 and make a jugful at a time. 2. Drink 1 large glass in the morning on an empty stomach. 3. Drink another 2 large glasses with and after your lunch. 4. Another 2 large glasses should be consumed in the evening around 6 to 7 p.m. It is advised to drink at least 5 large glasses or around 8 small glasses of this magical juice so that you can fully reap the rewards of the juice cleanse. However, consult your doctor before carrying out the detox if you are pregnant, have diabetes, or have any concerning allergies or health problems. This colon cleanse is meant to take place over one day only